Let's talk about top 50 question of reproductive health or most important question of reproductive health. First question is the strategy to achieve total reproductive health requires. Total reproductive health हमें achieve करनी है, क्या required है? Only medical and legal reforms, no. Infrastructure, yes. Professional expertise, yes. Public awareness, yes. ठीक है, correct answer is B. Now second question is the family planning program was initiated in India in the year. Answer is 1951. Question number 3, the full form of RCH. Full form of RCH, reproductive and child health care. Answer is A. Now question number 4, the legal status of medical termination of pregnancy was given in India is 1951, no. 1971, yes. Correct answer is 1971. Now question number 5, statutory ban on amniocentesis is primarily to prevent, ठीक है सर, amniocentesis ban है, prevent to spread of venereal disease, no. Female feticide, yes. Answer is B. फीमेल फेटिसाइड. तो जो भ्रूण हत्या है, आप जो लिंग का पता करते हैं, इसलिए क्या कर दिया है सब, बैन कर दिया है किसको, एमनियोसेंटेसिस को. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन आइडियल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव, यूजर फ्रेंडली, यस. easily available, yes. Effective and reversible with no side effect, yes. Is that means all of the above. Question number 7, which contraceptive method involves abstinence from coitus from day 10 to 17 of the menstrual cycle? Coitus interruptus, no. Lactation and amenorrhea, no. Rhythmic method या periodic abstinence, yes. Correct answer is C. Now question number 8, the principle of the natural method of contraception is based on preventing fertilization, yes. Answer is A. Question number 9, lactational amenorrhea is an effective contraceptive method only up to a maximum period of 3 months, no. 6 months, yes. Maximum period is 6 months. Question number 10, diaphragms, cervical caps and vaults are example of surgical method, no. IUDs, no. Barrier methods, yes. Question number 10, answer is barrier methods. Now question number 11, the primary action of spermicidal creams and jellies is to from a barrier over the cervix, no. Kill sperm upon contact, yes. Question number 12, the intrauterine devices IUDs are generally inserted by the user himself, no. Trained nurses and doctors, yes. Correct answer is B. Question number 13, which of the following is non-medicated IUDs? Non-medicated, Lipaslu. Question number 14, copper releasing IUDs primarily function of inhibiting ovulation, no. Suppressing sperm motility and fertilization capacity, yes. Correct answer is B. Now question number 15, the function of hormone releasing IUDs like progesterone is suppress ovulation only, no. To make the cervix hostile to sperm and the uterus unstable for to implantation, yes. Correct answer is B. Now question number 16, oral contraceptive pills primarily contain progesterone only, yes. Estrogen only, no. Progestations and estrogen combination, yes. Answer is both A and C. Now question number 17, Saheli, a new oral contraceptive pill for females is non-steroidal. Preparation taken daily, no. Weekly, yes. ठीक है, जो सहेली है वो वीकली ली जाती है. Now question number 18, emergency contraceptive should be taken within how many hours of coitus? 72 hours of coitus. Clear? Now 19, which of the following is an example of a hormonal contraceptive administered as a implant under the skin? Saheli, no. Progesterone, no. Norplant, yes. Correct answer is Norplant. Now question number 20, the surgical contraceptive method in males is called tubectomy, no. Hysterectomy, no. What is the means of tubectomy? Removal of or binding of fallopian tube. Hysterectomy, removal of uterus. And vasectomy, correct answer is C. Now question number 21, in vasectomy a small part of which duct is tied up or removed? Epididymis, no. Urethra, no. Vas efferentia, no. Vas deferens, correct answer is vas deferens. Now question number 22, which surgical procedure is performed on females for permanent contraception? Ovirectomy, no. Tubectomy, yes. Correct answer is tubectomy, removal or bind fallopian tube called tubectomy. Question number 23, MTPs are considered relatively safe up to how many weeks of pregnancy? 6 weeks, 12 weeks, first trimester. Yes, first trimester is safe. Question number 24. The major risks associated with MTP after the birth, after the first trimester are physiological disorders. No. Increased risk to the mother's health. Yes, correct answer is B. Question number 25. The full form of AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency system. No. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Correct answer is B. Now question number 26. Which of the following is a symptom of sexually transmitted infection, STI, in males? Discharge from urethra? Yes. Source in the genital area? Yes. Painful urination? Yes. All of the above? Yes. Correct answer is D. Because in case of males, urethra, common pathway for sperm and urine, it is urethra. Clear? Question number 27. Which of the following STI is comparable, is detected early? Hepatitis B? No. Genital herpes? No. Gonorrhea? Correct answer is gonorrhea. Now question number 28. Active agent of genital herpes is bacteria? No. Virus? Yes. Correct answer is virus. Comment the name of virus. Now question number 29. Hepatitis B and HIV can also be transmitted by sharing food? No. Hugging and kissing? No. Sharing injection and needles? Yes. Question number 30. The most effective way to prevent the spread of STI, sexual transmitted infection, is taking antibiotics regularly? No. Having multiple sex partners? No. Avoiding sex with unknown partners and using condoms during coitus. Correct answer is C. Now question number 31. The full form of ART is assisted reproductive technology? Yes. Answer is A. Now question number 32. The technique in which sperm is directly injected into the ovum in a test tube is GIFT? No. AI? No. ICSI? Yes. Correct answer is ICSI. Tell me full form of ICSI. Clear? Now question number 33. The full form of GIFT is zygote intrafallopian transfer. Correct answer is A. Now question number 34. In GIFT, the zygote is transferred into the fallopian tube if it has up to 2 blastomeres, 4 blastomeres, 8 blastomeres. Correct answer is C. Now question number 35. If the embryo has more than 8 blastomeres, it is usually transferred into the more than 8 fallopian tube? No. Vagina? No. Correct answer is uterus. Up to 8 fallopian transfer and more than 8 uterus transfer. Now question number 36. The technique in which the ovum from a donor woman is transferred into the fallopian tube in the infertile recipient is ICSI? No. GIFT? No. GIFT? Yes. What is the full form of GIFT? Gamete intrafallopian transfer. Now question number 37. The full form of GIFT? Gamete in vitro? No. Gamete intrafallopian transfer. Correct answer is B. Now question number 38. Artificial insemination, called AI, technique is used to overcome infertility caused by very low sperm count in males? Yes. Correct answer is A. Surrogacy refers to transfer of a zygote into a surrogate mother's fallopian transfer? No. A female carrying the baby for another couple? Yes. This is surrogacy. Now question number 40. In test tube baby program, which of the following is done? Only IUT? No. Only ZIFT? GIFT? No. IVT? No. Answer is D. In vitro fertilization followed by ET, is that means embryo transfer. Now question number 31. Increased use of contraceptive has led to decrease the birth rate primarily is due to preventing gamete formation? No. Preventing fertilization or implantation? Yes. Correct answer is B. Now question number 42. The main goal of the Hum Do Hamare Do campaign was to promote delayed marriage? No. Encourage small family size? Yes. Now question number 43. The ideal age of marriage as per government campaign to achieve a healthier society is 18 for females, 21 for males. Correct answer is A. Now question number 44. What is the key demographic indicator used to assess the success of reproductive health program? Literacy rate? No. Infant mortality rate and maternal mortality? Correct answer is B. Question number 45. Which of the following STI is caused by protozoan? Syphilis? No. Trichomoniasis? Yes. Correct answer is B. Now question number 46. Tubectomy prevents pregnancy by preventing ovulation? No. Preventing sperm from reaching ovum? Yes. Correct answer is B. Question number 46. Tubectomy prevent. Question number 46 discuss. Answer is B. Now question number 47. The primary reason for the rapid decline in death rate in the developing countries like India is increased food supply? No. Improvement in public health and sanitation? Yes, correct answer is B. Question number 48. Which R technique involves the transfer of an embryo in vivo inside the body? GIFT? No. GIFT? No. Correct answer is D. Intrauterine insemination. Question number 49. The term used to describe couple unable to conceive after 1 year, unprotected sexual cohabitation is contraception? No. Sterility? No. Infertility? Yes, correct answer is C. Now question number 50. The method coitus interruptus is a type of barrier method? No. Natural method? Yes, correct answer is B. Now question number 49. 1 year of unprotected coitus. Answer is infertility. Now let's talk about after 2 years. Now answer is, tell me in comment section. Clear? This is a rapid fire of top 50 question of reproductive health.